What's up, all you YouTube fans out there? This is Corliss, your Toad Junkie, bringing another video at you. I know I haven't done a video in about a week or so, but things are looking pretty good. Appreciate the subscribers. And at the end of this video, I need you to smash that like, share, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my videos. That's a very important part of it. But anyway, I ended up stumbling across a find that I towed a vehicle to somebody's house, and this guy gave me this. It is actually a 1987 Honda 350 Foreman. I think it's a four tracks. It's a four-wheel drive. It doesn't run yet, but he says it kept plugs kept fouling out. So I'm thinking that it's got something to do with the carburetor. So I figured that I would give it a shot and fix it and see if I can get it running. It ain't going to be on this video, but there's going to be a part two. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And there's also a notification bell that you can hit, and that way you know when my videos are being loaded. It would be kind of cool, Right now it don't run, and maybe once I get the video, my second video, I'll take a video of the carburetor or something. But anyway, here it is. Check this out, man. This thing's got good tires on it. I mean, the body isn't really the greatest because it's in pieces, but I'm going to try to salvage what I can. But the guy said that it ran, but he's not guaranteeing what the deal is. So I'm going to check it out. I mean, I've gotten that bike there that I've gotten running. This bike here runs, and this bike here runs. So I'm gonna check it out and see what I could do with it. But this is a 1987 Honda four tracks Foreman 350. It's got a little bit of rust on it, but hey, for free, I'm not complaining at all. I just want to try to work on it and see what we can do with it. I guess it's real easy too because the carburetor's right there. I mean, look at that nasty stuff. So I'm gonna clean it up and I'm gonna try to get it right. I have a battery I'm gonna put in it, and anyway, my YouTube fans, stay tuned for the second video, and hopefully this will be running on our second video. I'm gonna try and take the video with me cleaning the carburetor and stuff like that, so that way everybody gets a little knowledge on that. But as of right now, I just wanted to show you what I got. Not bad for free. We just hope it runs. All right, man. I love you guys. Make sure you like, smash that share button, and smash that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. I need you to subscribe. Watch my videos completely. I have other videos out there. I have almost 30 videos going. This actually might make 30. I'm not sure. But please just follow through and just keep tabs on me. All right, man. Love y'all. Peace.